Hi guys, I'm Niharika. Welcome to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to share my experience of traveling from Ireland to India. Currently, I am in Frankfurt Airport, Germany. To stop Germany and London um, before I'll reach to my lovely India. Okay, so firstly, we need a few documents before traveling. So the very first document that is required is your ticket printout, and if you have done the web check-in, then you need the boarding pass as well. The second thing is you need to register to the embassy where you are for in my case there are Frankfurt and UK, but my flight from for India is from London, so it will be like I need to register Indian embassy in UK. So you need to take the printout of that. And the third is you need to do a self-reporting form to as you're going to India. So it's like there is a website, newdelhiairport.in. In that you need to register yourself, and you'll get the email, and you need to take the printout of that. That is self-reporting form, and people are used to call that SR form. Okay, and the fourth thing is like if you have not done the COVID test before in Ireland before 72 hours of departure of your flight, then you need to do a COVID test in Delhi airport. So you need to take the appointment. That is the fourth document. The original document that you need is definitely your passport, and for me like Garda card. So Garda card is a green card or IRP in Ireland resident permit. So those two documents with you original, so that when you're coming back or it is needed. So it's like when I did the check-in, I was checking my bag, and that time they asked me for Garda card, and they also informed me like maybe you need this card to show in Germany while you're boarding for London. So Garda card is important. Please bring that with you. I reached airport around 2 hours before my flight departure. The Lufthansa flight is from Terminal 1, so I reached to the gate, and in that gate, one lady asked me about the boarding pass. I showed her the boarding pass, and after that, I went to the check-in counter. In check-in counter, social distancing they are maintaining in Dublin airport, and there is a every place there is a 2 meter distance people are maintaining, and also we'll have hand sanitizer everywhere. Everyone is putting mask, and so it was like I feel safe. Okay, and then in check-in counter I gave my passport, and they asked me for Garda card, and also they asked me self-reporting form. So I did the check-in, and yeah, after that I went for security check-in, and in security check-in it's as usual, like you need to put the liquid in separate liquid pouch, and then yeah, boarding was fine, and in flight also middle seat was empty. So it was like they are maintaining the social distance, and they gave the hand wipes, okay, to clean the hand. Okay, yeah, I was in yeah, so we boarded, and after that they gave us snacks, and also they are offering drinks in Lufthansa. So yeah, that was good, and it's a nice experience. It's like 2.5 2 hours journey, and it completed in 1 hour 45 minutes. So I did the security check-in, and now I'm waiting here in Frankfurt airport for my flight to London. And yeah, in Germany, here as well, people are maintaining social distancing. As you can see here, so alternate seat, you can't sit together. Okay, so. And inside terminal we are not allowed to go or walk without mask, so mask is mandatory all over the airport. So now I'm going to duty free to see what's there in Germany airport. Okay. Now I'm going to try one of the perfume, Chanel one. So I have one Chanel number 20, I guess. Oh, sorry, Chanel number 5. But now I'm going to see the perfume smell of Coco Chanel. Okay. So it's nice. I think I'll take this one. Okay, see you in London. Hello from London airport. So yes, I reached London. From there I'll get the flight for India. Finally my final flight. Okay. Then I'll reach India without any stop. I kinda like this airport. I don't know, there's some happy feeling here, and yeah, I don't know, lightning or some big flight I'm seeing here now, like British Airways is going, if you can see, and here is Aer Lingus. Guys, so I'm now in uh, airport lounge of after doing COVID test, and yes, they are providing the water bottle, juice, coffee or tea if you want, and now I got my lunch as well, so I'll show you my lunch. So this is veg. So I didn't open yet. I'm going to open this and yeah, actually I'm waiting for my COVID result test, and they are saying it will take around 4 to 6 hours, and yeah, let's see. I hope it will be negative, and then my father is coming to pick me, and we'll be going home soon. See you. And here is the lunch what they are providing in launch. So yeah, and it's warm, so and I'm hungry as well, so I'm going to have this now.
हाँ सर